Hey bro, Betwipsize here, and I just wanted to give you access to the new Nova trading bot because there's a waitlist, but with my ref link you can get instant access. It's very quick, it's used by the best traders in the space right now. They're testing it out, and I also tested it. It's pretty quick. As you can see, mellow, orangey, fast. There's good guys testing it out. It's very new, like literally launched 2 days ago or even 1 day ago. So yeah, you just gotta go to my bio or to the pinned comment, copy the link and paste it in your browser or in your Telegram. But yeah, you go, Telegram, start, boom, and you're gonna go through the setup. I already went through it, but you'll just have to go, set it up. Here's gonna be your wallet address where you can deposit Sol, and then there's Sniper, copy trading, buying, limit orders, all that good stuff. So very quick video, but yeah, happy trading and good luck.